I'm going to show you how I crochet this cord. You can use this cord for many projects. If you crochet this in a big macrame, thick macrame yarn, it will be thick, and you can use this for a mini crochet bag strap, or you can use like in a key ring, or you can use for bracelets, like if you make it in a thin macrame yarn, or you can use it to fix the keyring in the back. I have a tutorial video to how to crochet this bag, and also how I fix this in the back. Now I'm going to use this 100% cotton macrame yarn. I'm going to use 4mm crochet hook. Depend on your project. Always make sure you leave enough yarn on one side, and the other side will be from the yarn ball. So start from the middle, slip knot, now because we left this much yarn, it depends on your project. If you want a back strap, you might need to leave a lot. If it's a small project, you don't need to leave this much big yarn. So once you put a slip knot, hold it like this in a V shape. One in this, and other one will be holding with this thumb. Now you made 2 straps in your hook. So now we made 2 straps in the hook. Pull through the yarn like you do single crochet. So first row, hold always like a V shape. Pull through, V shape, 2 string in the hook, pull through, hold it V shape, pull through, so go ahead and continue until you reach your desired length for your project.